In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit the header on a Weebly website. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's dive right into it. The header of your website is one of the first things visitors see, so it's important to make it look just the way you want. First things first, you need to access the Weebly editor. So go ahead and log into your Weebly account. Once you're in, navigate to the website section. You should see your projects listed there. Click on the one you want to edit, and then hit the Edit Site button. This will open the editor for your chosen project, setting you up for customization. Now let's focus on the header itself. Move your cursor to the top of the page where the header is located. This is usually where your website title and navigation live. Click directly on the header area. After a moment, a pop-up menu will appear, and from there, you'll want to select Edit Background. This will allow you to change the appearance of the header. When you click on Edit Background, you'll be presented with options for changing the background. You can choose between several types: an image, a solid color, a gradient, or even a video. If you're going for an image, simply upload your file by using the Upload button, or you can select one from the options provided by Weebly if you're looking for something quick. If you prefer colors, just pick your shades and don't forget to experiment a bit to find the perfect match for your site's theme. Once you've made your selection, go ahead and click Save in the upper right corner. This will apply the changes and give your header a fresh look. Next, let's talk about the text in your header, particularly if you want to adjust your title or modify any of the font settings. To do this, simply click on the title text you see in the header area. A text edit option will appear, allowing you to change the wording as well as the font style, size, and color. This is a great way to personalize your header further, ensuring it reflects your branding and message effectively. Before we wrap up, let's discuss navigation. Good navigation helps users find what they're looking for quickly. At the top of the editor, click on the Pages tab. You'll see a list of all the pages you've created for your website. Here, you can easily organize your navigation menu. If you want to change the order in which your pages appear, just click on a page and drag it up or down to your desired position. As you do this, you'll see that the navigation menu updates automatically. This is a straightforward way to make sure your most important pages are easy to find. And that's it. By following these simple steps, you'll have effectively edited your header on your Weebly website, giving it a fresh new look that represents your brand beautifully. Remember, a well-designed header sets the tone for your entire site, so take your time to get it just right. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Be sure to give it a thumbs up if